Now let me introduce the programming of Huazhong CNC controller for milling machine. Firstly, let's look at the drawing of cross-groove part. Design the machining program according to the drawing of parts. Our default size of work blank is 100 × 100 × 10 mm. Choose the plane vise as the fixture. When clamping the workpiece, pay attention that the upper surface shall be 6 mm higher than the plane vise. Use end milling tool with a diameter of 10 mm to machine the convex plate firstly, and then machine the cross groove. Now we are going to program manually. Create a program. Call it O1111. O001 program name G54, G90, G17. Core G54 coordinate system. Absolute value programming. XY plane. M03S3500. Spindle rotates forward at 3,500 RPM. G00Z50. Quickly move Z-axis to 50 mm away from 0 point. X minus 47, Y minus 60. Quickly move X-axis to and Y-axis to the specified position. G01 Z5 F500. Z-axis moves at speed of 500 mm per minute. G01 Z minus 6 F200. Z-axis moves to the convex plate cutting position with the cutting speed of 200 mm per minute. Y47 F600. Move to the starting point of machining. X47, Y minus 47, X minus 45, Y 32. Machine the contour of work plank. Pay attention to tool radius. G02, X minus 32, Y 45, R 13. Cut the work blank along clockwise arc angle. G01, X32. Conduct the nylon motion. Reach to the machining point of the second arc. G02, X45, Y32, R13. Machine the second arc. G01, Y minus 32. Conduct nylon motion and reach to the third arc machining point. G02, X32, Y minus 45, R13. Machine the third arc. G01, x minus 32. Conduct line motion and reach to the fourth arc machining point. G02, x minus 45, y minus 32, r 13. Machine the fourth arc. G00, Z 100. Move Z-axis quickly to return to the safe point position. X3, Y minus 60. Machine the cross groove. Move X-axis and Y-axis to the start point of machining. Z5, move Z-axis. G01, Z minus 4, F 600. Move Z-axis to cross-cutting position. Y minus 3, X 28, G03, Y3, R3, G01, X3, Y 50, X minus 3, Y3, X minus 28, G03, Y minus 3, R3, G01, X minus 3, Y minus 45. Machine along cross groove contour. G00, Z 100. Perform fast movement of Z-axis to return to the safe point position. M05. Spindle stops. M30. Program ends. Now we have completed the part machining program and conduct the simulation verification now. In SwordSoft, select HNC 848DI as the numeric controller and click to run the controller. Click the Power On button of the machine tool. Click Workpiece. Select Stock Size. Create a work blank with the size of 100 × 100 × 10 mm. Click OK. Finish the setting of work blank. Click Workpiece Clamp. Click Locate Up and Down. Make the upper surface of work blank at least 6 mm higher than flange nose plier. Click OK. Complete work blank and fixture settings and perform tool setting. Click Machine Operation. Select Tool Management. Select End Mill with the diameter of 10 mm as spindle tool. Click OK. Complete tool creation. And now carry out tool positioning operation. Click the icon on the left. Select Quick Position. Click OK. Now the tool tip of the spindle tool contacts with the surface of work blank. Click Set in Machine Tool Control Interface. Click Coordinate System. When the cursor stops at X-axis position in G54 coordinate system, click Current Position Input and click OK to confirm 0 point of X-axis. Repeat the last operation to determine the 0 position of Y-axis and Z-axis. Set coordinate system of work blank, tool, and coordinate system. Put 01111 program into SwordSoft to conduct the simulation. Click File. Select Open. Then look up the program 01111. And then put the program to the main interface of the system. Click Return to Reference Point to return X-axis, Y-axis, and Z-axis to 0 point of machine tool. Close the door. Click Cycle Start. Start simulation. Now the program simulation is completed without any problem. Now the milling program of Huazhong CNC controller is completed.